Hey guys, Steve Watts here, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Showing you something else on the Sienna minivan. There's actually an option for the compartment, so storage compartments for the back seat that you can get, and it's for the back compartment that's back here. So I wanted to show you what those look like. So this one's got a cargo net. I've already pulled that down. So the cargo net actually it straps up here and it works in the back there. So I've pulled that down so you guys can kind of get an idea what these look like. So these are storage bins that are in the back that are an option that you can get from Toyota. So it's a pretty thick, probably feels like a little board almost in there, and then you have these optional trays that will sit back here for you. It's it definitely can be useful. Now I will note that you can't put those seats. So when you're talking about pulling these seats back, obviously you're stuck. You can't pull those seats back. So if you wanted to store those seats, you just grab these and you pull these out, right? And once you pull those out, very, very easily, of course, set them off to the side, put them in your garage for whatever you're using. Once you do that, then you can still grab your seats and throw your seats down there and throw your flaps over on your seats. So you can't use the containers obviously while you have the seats in this position, but just kind of most people can at least leave your seats up like this, even if you want to leave them down. If you don't want to pull them up, then you don't have to. If you want to pull them up, then you definitely can. So it's just up to you, but it's very easy to put them back in as well. You just grab this, right? And I'm doing all this one-handed, right? But you can see how I'm throwing that in. You have to watch this back here. You have to watch that little strap back there, and then it'll set in the bottom there. Same thing over here. Grab it, throw it in there. All right, watch the little catch right there with the cargo net in there. It's a little bit more difficult, but very, very easy. And then I'll even show you as a little bonus here, which I always like to give you a little bonus. You throw up here with one thumb. It's not that difficult to do. Throw up the cargo net, and then that's how the cargo net looks in there. So your rear storage bins in your new body Toyota Sienna 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 new body Sienna rear storage bin. Steve Watts, Beaman Toyota. Definitely like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Is it something that you'd use, or is it something that wouldn't be useful to you? Definitely like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a great one. Bye.